If you have recently started investing in US markets, then this video is for you. Next week could be a historic moment for global market. So as you all know कि SpaceX का IPO next week आने वाला है and it is expected to be the largest IPO in the history, potentially raising 70 to 80 billion dollars. And apart from this, according to media sources, Anthropic ने भी 1 जून को अपने IPO papers confidentially file किए. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is also targeting an IPO by the end of this year at the valuations of $1 trillion. And that raises an interesting question. What happens when some of the most anticipated companies in the world comes to the stock market? Many investors believe in what is called the liquidity drain theory. So the idea is simple कि मार्केट में पैसा तो लिमिटेड है, तो जब भी कोई मैसिव आईपीओ आता है तो इन्वेस्टर्स अपने एग्जिस्टिंग होल्डिंग्स को सेल करते हैं तो फ्री अप सम कैश टू इन्वेस्ट इन द न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी, जिसकी वजह से ब्रॉडर मार्केट में थोड़ी सेलिंग आती है. बट नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, डज दिस लीड टू मार्केट करेक्शन? लेट्स लुक एट द हिस्ट्री. The most famous Indian example is Reliance Power ka IPO in 2008. At that time, it was India's biggest IPO ever. The hype was extraordinary. Every other Kirana stores were distributing IPO forms, and the IPO got subscribed 73 times. Investors were willing to pay almost any price for future growth, and eventually the IPO listed below the issue price. That IPO didn't just fail, it signaled the market top before the 2008 crash. But the question is, was Reliance Power the reason behind the market crash that followed? We'll answer later in the reel. But for now, let's look at the US examples. Facebook's IPO in 2012 was one of the most anticipated listing in the market. The stock struggled after listing and lost significant value in the first few months. Alibaba's IPO in 2014 became one of the biggest IPOs in US at that time, but markets continued to do well after that. However, after Saudi Aramco's record-breaking IPO in 2019, market went sideways for some time. So what does history actually tells us? Though mega IPOs don't consistently predict market crashes, but they often arrive at times of extreme optimism when investors are most excited about the future and are willing to take the most amount of risk. But what separated a 200% rally from a 40% crash after a mega IPO was the cycle during which it landed. The real concern in 2026 is the sheer scale. SpaceX, Anthropic, and OpenAI could collectively absorb approximately $200 billion in a single year. And this is at the time when investors' optimism is at its peak and market, especially the AI stocks, have rallied so much. So do you think markets will correct after SpaceX listing next week? Do let me know your views in the comments below. And don't forget to follow Credible Capital for interesting market insights.